Hello again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the wiper blades. These are both 16 inches in length. So we're going to go ahead and grab a hold of the wiper arm, pull it up towards you, and now we can go ahead and remove the blade. So this is the standard J-hook style wiper blade. You can see in the back this little lever here. Just pull that up. Just like that. You can see the wiper arm there. It's your standard J-hook design. And then grab your new wiper blade. Insert it until you hear the click. And that is it. And then fold it down onto the windshield. Now we can walk around to the rear of the vehicle and do the rear wiper blade. This is a 12-inch blade. So what you have to do is open the rear gate here, and now you have clear access to the wiper arm, and you have to lift this up like so. Okay, so you fold the wiper blade out like this, and then it'll release. You can see this here, this is the pivot point. So if you take a look at the wiper arm itself, that's what it looks like. And then you can take your new wiper blade and insert it like this. And that is it. Okay guys, that completes the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.